Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rico Richardson, and in this episode of No Time Wasted Learning Darktable, the monochrome module. And here's the image that we're going to work with. I'm going to click this button, and there you go, that's it. Just kidding, let's continue. So that's an easy way, but obviously there's more to this module. What you can do is you can increase or decrease the circle by moving the mouse wheel button away or towards you. And what that allows you to do is set an emphasis to certain areas of the image. So right now we're in the skin tone section. Over here we're in the water section. And it allows you to add a preset as well, a red filter. There you go. So now the emphasis is on the reddish pixels. Now let me show you guys another cool thing. So I'm going to scroll this. There you go. I'm going to put this over here. And now everything looks very flat. But if you change the highlight slider, you see that there's starting to appear more contrast into the image. And that goes for everywhere where you move this. So that's how you can make a certain specific look with the monochrome module without actually just activating it and making something black and white. So if you want to make something special out of it, decrease the circle size, move it around a little bit, and then increase the highlight slider to give it some contrast as well. And that's actually it. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more, there's a playlist over there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so by clicking this button over there. And for this week, there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. And until next time, doei!